Grammar friends, let's learn and play. Noun, verbs, and adjectives every day. We'll read, we'll write, we'll learn with glee. Grammar fun for you and me. Let's explore, let's discover more. Grammar rules that we adore. From sentences to stories, we'll have a blast. Grammar fun for you and me.
So, hello guys, welcome to today's video. In today's video, we're going to be doing something different. No classes today, we're just having a little trivia, something to test your knowledge of parts of speech. So, before we begin, let's look at the instructions that we have. The instruction says to read the sentence on each slide carefully. Then you pay attention to the underlined word. You go ahead to identify the part of speech of the underlined word in each sentence. Okay? So, are you ready? Let's begin. Question number 1 says, Antarctica is the coldest and driest region in the world, and scientists are still trying to uncover its many secrets. So from the options that we have here, the options are the parts of speech. They are 8 in number. So what do you think the underlined word, region, what part of speech do you think it is? Noun. If you chose noun, you're correct. So let's move on to the second question. The second question says, "Whoa, you earned the highest grade in the class. That's impressive," he exclaimed. So what part of speech is whoa? Interjection. Correct. Next question. On the eve of the celebration, she decorated her house with vibrant flowers and rainbow-colored tapestries. So, vibrant in this sentence, what part of speech do you think it is? Adjective. Correct. Question number 4. As he crept up the creaky stairs to the attic, he swatted away cobwebs. What part of speech is crept? I'm waiting. Verb. Crept is the past for creep, so it's a verb. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 5. The dragon reared back its ugly head, but the knight was prepared with his sword and shield. The underlined word in this sentence is but. So what part of speech is but? Conjunction. It's a joining word. You're correct. Moving on to number 6. Behind the curtain, the actress fluffed her hair one last time before striking the opening pose for the show. So, what part of speech is behind? Drum rolls. Behind is a preposition. Yeah, it is showing the relationship between the actress and the curtain. Moving on to the next question. Question number 7. The giraffe lifted its long neck towards the clouds to reach the leaves at the top of the tree. The underlined word in this sentence is it. So what part of speech is it? The correct answer is a pronoun. If you said pronoun, you're correct. Number 8. The painter rarely leaves the studio when inspiration strikes. The painter rarely leaves the studio when inspiration strikes. Rarely is the underlined word here. What part of speech is rarely? An adverb. Moving on to number 9. The crowd roared with elation when the winning contestant was announced. The underlined word in this sentence is elation. What part of speech is this word? A noun. A noun. Let's move on to number 10. She gawked at the outrageous amount on the garment's price tag. She gawked at the outrageous amount on the garment's price tag. Outrageous is the underlined word in this sentence. So what part of speech is outrageous? What kind of amount? Outrageous. The part of speech here is adjective. Moving on to number 11. He was confident when the instructor handed him the exam because he had studied every night for the last week. He was confident when the instructor handed him the exam because he had studied every night for the last week. The underlined word is studied. What part of speech is studied? A verb. You're correct if you said studied, because study is the past for study. And to our last question for this video, the shipwreck was finally located off the coast of Africa at a depth of 12,500 feet. The underlined word here is at. What part of speech is at? Preposition. You're correct. Yippee!